was raped the entire 20 years as a victim of rape because of the neglection from home. So there was this other guy who vele wafika kimi when I heard afterwards kuthiwe bekumntana we-owner ye-crash wangithatha from ku-mistress e-dining room la besihleli khona sidlala njengabantwana wangisa ekamereni wayenza ngathi ungitshintsha i-pampers then along the way wayenza le nto zakhe eziphume endleleni.
At the age of 3.
Yes, walalana nami at the age of 3 years. Bengiwavula amakhesi manye police station amaphoyisa bewangibiza nge-064 angangithathi serious because from ekhaya bengingathathiwa serious. The human trafficking case ithathe indawo ngo-2013 bekuyi-competition yamanga ye-Alban 15 gentlemen baripa abantwana abancane 10 young girls every single day bebastraka nokustraka mara bebangastraki directly ukuthi bayanihlaba ama-injection or bebanenzani bebafake ekudleni ngoba masiqeda ukudla besifila somehow besizibona nathi ukuthi akusiyithi siba-hyper sihlangahlangana sibancane.
Sanibonani, dumelang, absheni molweni, igama uphindile Pelelihle, and this is a Soweto podcast, Beyond Survival. Sanamukela ke namhlanje ikhayeni lethu lokuthula noxolo. Guys, siyabonga uthando lwenu. Yo, siyabonga ukwamukelwa kini guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and obviously hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Thank you so much. Please guys, nisixhumane nathi kuzo zonke inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ne khumbula ukuthi wena ula enhlizweni yami. Namhlanje nginiphethele guest ke enhle usisi omuhle ogojasi uzosazisa ukuthi ubani nokuthi usiphetheleni namhlanje. Hello sisi.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila. Awusemuhle.
Ngiyabonga.
Please tell us ukuthi ubani wakuphi. Ukhulephi, ukhule kanjani, ukhule nobani, nje saze kangcono ngawe.
Igama nguNoxolo Mbali Mhlifa. Ngihlala e-Olive Northbush, eSenturion ePitori. Ngiyabonga ukuthi you introduced me very nice wathi I'm a gorgeous kind person. I am, and I'm even a career woman. Ngiloya ukuthi ngingena yonke indawo. I believe in life there is no limit. Nothing can limit you. This whole world, as long as the sky is the limit, it must stop. The sky has no limit. Ngoba noma usibhekile awazi ukuthi siphele laphi, awazi ukuthi amehla aphele laphi. So in life, never limit yourself. I'm sitting right here. I'm only 26 years, but I've made a lot of achievements. So full time ekhaya ngihlala ngiwani, ngihlala nobhutama omncane, i-second born yakithi, and then I'm a child who was born brave, owazitshela ukuthi besides anything, besides disability and my circumstances, I've got it. Nothing can limit me. So already I'm a role model in many lives.
Nice. Yo, hayi wena imbokodo ngisitshele about wena nokuthi namhlanje usiphatheleni ke namhlanje. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Asiqale nje lapho, I'm proud of you. Kamampela, the sky has no limit whatsoever.
Yeah.
Sixoxeleke ukuthi usiphatheleni namhlanje dad.
Today I had a topic, it was survival. Mina ngumuntu osurvive into eziningi empilweni. I'm a GBV survivor.
Yes.
I'm a survivor. I'm also a human trafficking survivor. Ngazitshela ukuthi kukho konke lokhu uJehova uyaphila ngoba after all these challenges I came out alive. I was the entire 20 years as a victim of because of the neglection from home. Many parents, but in a parental workshop to understand kids with special need, because my situation is that situation of Ekaya Abazali. They don't have the parental workshop. They don't understand kids with special needs. So automatic bayenzali anto yokuthi uthole mama abeku baba wasendlini phambili before wena bakusafarisa because of your situation. And your disability, ungatholi usizo anywhere. All these years I've been a victim. I never got any parental support. But I realized uNkulunkulu bekaloku akhuluma nami personal, angibonisa ukuthi I chose you by purpose. Uzinqobile zonke le inkinga because I chose you to become the light to the tunnel. There are many women out there abahamba through inkinga zakho bazibulala nani, but you overcame them. After 20 years as a victim of you never gave up, you never got HIV positive, you never got pregnant, you even came out alive from human trafficking that we were missing the whole 3 weeks. It's all God's grace. It's showing Gucci God was preparing me to become the advocate that I am.
My sister.
And through it all, I realized Gucci, this thing yet Gucci must lula through challenges. Sloga Stefa's question with Jehovah, why me, why me? There's a purpose behind. There's light in every tunnel. Through all those painful circumstances, I got recognized by the President of the Republic of South Africa, President Cyril Ramaphosa. I was rubbing shoulders with him on 8 December 2022. And then along the way, many ministers and MECs came by and honored me. Right now, as we speak today, sitting right here, I realized again, as a leader, it's important to be a leader that leads by example, that brings solutions to the problems. The president is always crying, Gucci, GBV is a national disaster. We need to make plans to bring possible solutions. So part of those solutions, I'm proud to say I wrote a book called From Victimization to Survivor, that I wrote it to dedicate to victims, to encourage them that you are never alone in this journey. Challenges didn't start by you, and they'll never end by you. Committing suicide and giving up is not a solution. Help is always available. No matter whatever you went through, tell yourself, my current situation is not my final destination. I've got this. I know who I am. Dust yourself from the painful poverty mindset and tell yourself, I've got this. Be positive and declare positivity day by day. You'll see your life will flow. You'll never even show where you come from.
Yo, angazi nokuthi ngiqale ngakuphi ikhanda lami liyaduma. You're strong. Like I said, I'm proud of you. And we need more women like you, the community. We need women like you. Yo, yes, ukhulume a mouthful. I don't even know where to start to say, when did it start? And umuntu wakhona bekasendlini. You don't need to say ukuthi ubani. Just nje ukuthi ungithathe nje ungibeke kuleyo younger you. Ngaleso sikhathi nokuthi ufile kanjani.
The first thing, the younger me, the first time they broke my virginity, I was 3 years old. Yayenzeke crash lento le. It was more like ukuthi that time ama-crash bewangaka to me like now. Abantwana bebengakabi crowded babaningi. So most people bebayenza ama-crash from ezindlini zabo. So there was this other guy uvele wafika kimi when I heard afterwards kuthiwe bekumntana unaye crash wangithatha from ku-mistress e-dining room la besihleli khona sidlala njengabantwana wangise ekamereni wayenza ngathi ungitshintsha i-pampers, then along the way wayenza le nto zakhe eziphume endleleni.
At the age of 3.
Yes, walalana nami at the age of 3 years. When I looked at him that day, bekagcoke more like umntana isikolo.
Should he was in his teens.
I don't know, but he was tall and all of that. Maybe he was in high school, almost getting
16,
old.
17. Emntana nona 3.
Imagine. Then that's where the whole thing started. And then along the way, due to neglection, yasekhaya they continued the whole 20 years. Yaba ngathi generational curse. Yaba ngathi la magama ukuthi mawungalunywa inje i-1 zonke
zizakuluma. Waphuma kanjani? Uphume kanjani kule situation ye?
Mina ngibonga lokuthi ngibonga uJehova ngokungifundisa ukukhuluma into ekimi. That is why even right now mina ngikhali nangalesimo sami. uJehova wangithinta from enhlizweni wangibonisa ngendlela eziningi ukuthi you are the chosen one, nothing can break you. But through it all, I think this organization, iThuthuzela Care Center, they are normally the organizations that deals with victims, turn them into survivor.
Yeah.
What I like about them, the services are free. They are with you all the way from the beginning, all the way to the end. They will never leave you hanging. Bakubone one day and then child. They even test you whether you are HIV positive or negative. And then bakubizela namaphoyisa bayathatha ama-DNA bayenze yonke into bakise nasemakhoti nani bakunike counseling amalanga amaningi, not just one day. Bakunika ama-follow-up appointments until bakubone ukuthi you are fully okay. And then along the way mababone ukuthi maybe uzizwa ngathi awuphephanga nani nani, isimo sibanzima nani nani, they can refer you to shelters where you will be seated for about 6 months and going upwards ukuze ube safe, ungaphili ngokuthuka.
Yeah. Yo. And wavula case.
Many of them ngoba akusumuntu oyi-one. Like I said,
from
the age of 3 years until 2023. It's multiple guys. Bengavula ama-case manye police station, amaphoyisa bewangibiza nge-064 angangithathi serious because from ekhaya bengingathathiwa serious. Remember, charity begins at home. Mani lahla abantwana benu from ekhaya ubani ozobathatha serious. So all those cases were never taken seriously. Namanje ama-perpetrator asahambe estradini kumnandi, nothing happened.
Amove on impilo zabo. And you also touched base ngendaba ye-human trafficking, if you don't mind. Ukushare nami story ungangitshela ukuthi how did it happen?
The human trafficking case ithathe indawo ngo-2013. It was broadcasted wonke ma-TV nani bekuloko kuveziwe ukuthi kunabantwana abancane abalahlekile ePitori, missing for the entire 3 weeks. I was one of those kids. Bekuyi-competition yamanga ye-Alban. It was 2 trucks, A1 bekuyi-truck enormal enezinkwa nama-chocolate tikis and so forth.
Alban, the normal Alban.
Stage, yes.
Bekuyi-competition
yamanga ye-back to school eyokuthi Jaivani, you'll stand a chance to win your share of 250,000 towards sponsorship for your school.
Yes.
School fees for the whole year.
Yes.
And the supplier is nani. Automatic sajaiva thina siyabantwana singazi next, then automatic basithatha basitshela ukuthi we are the winners, basithatha siyamantombazana ayi-10. Our age group yethu between 7 years to 13 years. Then basilinda basiqinisa lapha isikhathi eside basitshela amanga ukuthi sisendleleni yoke head office siyolinda abazali bazosayinela ama-check wethu ngoba saseyama-minor, we can't sign on our own. Kanti ngey'nkathi masekumnyama kungahambi next ku-quiet basitshintsha from ey'motweni ze-Albany basibambe ngey'bhamu basithulisile nasemilomeni basisusa from kuma-Albany trucks basifaka kuma-private bahamba nathi salahleka 3 weeks yonke kungazeki ukuthi sikuphi. Amadoda wakhona bewayi-15. After sesibuya nasenkantolo sathola ukuthi ama-nationality wabo 10 yabo bekwama-Nigeria, 3 kwama-Zimbabwe nama-South African ayi-2. 15 gentlemen abantwana abancane, 10 young girls every single day. Bebastraka nokustraka. Mara bebangastraki directly ukuthi bayanihlaba ama-injection or bebanenzani bebafake ekudleni. Ngoba masiqeda ukudla besifila somehow besizibona nathi ukuthi akusiyithi siba-hyper sihlangahlangana sibancane. Basirpa kuba ney'nkathi la basishera khona baziseparate between amadoda ayi-8 nawayi-7 thina basithatha 5 omunye makaqeda ukusirpa kulala omunye kanjalo ngathi samosheka ney'beletho sibancane sinje. Then along the way I've learned ukuthi Jehovah uqinisile ezwini lakhe makathi I'll always be a helping hand to you. Yimi enganiletha la emhlabeni ngesizathu. I prayed like nobody's business. Ngakhumbula leya scene yabo Paul nabo Silas lesikhathi basejele bakatiwe ngamakata bathandaza like nobody's business ukuthi bakhululwe. Through that I did the very same thing uJehova wasebenzisa mina to release the other young girls. Then what I've realized again ngumuntu othandekayo kalula. So automatic that time bengihleli nabo ngaphandle sixoxa kungathi umshana nabo malume, then baphuza utshwala kakhulu badakwa they had a pass out bangazizwa nokuthi babobani. Then ngathatha isikhiye ngasitshwentsha ngabaleka bangangazi nokuthi ngikuphi bangafilanga next. Maybe ba-realize after bona ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Then yathi masekumnyama ngilahlekile endaweni engingayazi ngingazazi nokuthi ngikuphi ngadobha abanye abosisi abayi-2 bangibuza ukuthi ngubani wakabani ngifike nini lapha ngiyazazi ukuthi ngikuphi ngabatshela isimo bathi guess what siceda ukunibona manje TV bakhuluma ngani nilahlekile in sicela ukuya nawe Hillbrow Police Station mawufika le ukhulume yonke into injalo. Then automatic sahamba ngafike ngawona iphoyisa ngalitshela ukuthi we baba ngicela ukuthi uhlogomele impilo yakho unabantwana abancane abakulindile abantwana bakho nomfazi wakho bayakudinga ngicela ukuthi ubize i-backup. Ngamenzele example ngathi yakhumbula imovie yeJerusalem analanda kanjani uLucky Khunene ngicela nenzele same thing unempilo ende ukuthi uzoyiphila than uzofa ubulaliwe ama-giant crime ekukudala nofuthi. Ngempela bayenza kanjalo kwagcwala ama-helicopter baze babiza ne-quantum for thina bogel ngoba besiyi-10 and abanye bethu besinomzimba besingeke silingane evenini. Then la madoda bababizela leya quantum enkulu yokuthi sinilayishane yabo tsotsini baningi bababopha same day labo at least justice was served sathi masesihamba ama-court bathole death sentence. Namanje abakaze baphume ejele thina sakhululeka. Then mina after a week after lento zale case human trafficking after amaphoyisa athole ukuthi all the girls bebanama missing case number mina alone I didn't have any. Kusho ukuthi lezo ukuthi umama bekalele anormal angazi nokuthi ngikuphanga ngibheke ukuthi ngilahlekile na. Then along the way le phoyisa labantu lezwa ubuhlungu labiza nama-social work. After a week ngathathiwa ngayokhuliselwa ey'ndabeni zabantwana ema-charity home. Yila ngikhona khona ukuceda i-matric ngamuva on nge-life.
How old were you masenitholakala laphaya?
13 years. I was the oldest. Laba abanye bebabancane ngoba i-age group yethu bekuyi-7 to 13 years.
Oh my God. So since the age of 13 bowuhlala shelter?
Yebo, until 18 years ngoba i-social development mawuthena 18 bathi umuntu omdala you need to go back home.
And where was your mom at this time?
Bekalokaza yena ema-shelteni azovakasha angi-check-a leni hali.
Uke wa-apologize?
No.
Wamxolela?
Ngamxolela ngoba remember the Bible says we are all sinners before the Lord. Forgive others so that the Lord can forgive you. Noma sithandaza a simple prayer, our Father, we always say forgive our sins as we forgive those who trespass against us. And then Jehovah uhlala sitshela ukuthi mani nezitha love them and pretend like you don't see anything. That is not your battle to fight. Because another thing I've realized, kwesinye isikhathi ulwa nomuntu wenyama kanti akusuye, it's the spirit behind him or her. Khumbula ukuthi uSathane ungenelela through abantu abaclose nawe. So it's important ukuthi ungabovela ujudge umuntu umzonde for no reason ungazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani ngaloyo muntu kuqala. Don't just fight the person, fight the root cause of the problem. Ngoba at the end of the day sonke asikho perfect akunamuntu clean. So my mom, I forgave her long ago. Siyazama namanje ngisamhambisa ama-counseling nani ngiwatholayo. As we speak, last year I was honored by uMEC Matume Chilwane through incwadi yami i-Department of Sports, Arts and Culture and Recreation under libraries yathenga 100 copies of this book. For the first time I saw 20,000 in my account and then ngathi I'm not gonna be umntana oblowa imali nabo chomi nani forgetting where I come from. So automatic I took some of that money ngasiza umama ngamthengela i-stand thinking twice ukuthi we will never read for the rest of our lives. Makashona siyaphi sizothatha abomamkhulu sibe ama-slave nani our lives matters. Kumele sibe nekhaya sizazi ukuthi sibuyaphi sikhombe sithi la kusekhaya.
Do you think uNkulunkulu called you, like, do you think isiphiwo lento nayo? Because ngiyakuzwa mawukhuluma uyikhuluma with passion, wenza into oyithandayo, wenza into oyaziyo. Do you feel, because nginokuzwa abanye abafundisi bethi it's not just ubufundisi, it's a calling. Do you think isiphiwo sakho ukuthi usiza abanye abantu besifazane that are going through things?
It's pure siswami because some of the things obobheka asizenzisi. I mean, look at even how many bulk many programs I'm getting day by day. It shows that it's not out of my power. It's the Lord using me, because umuntu wenyama personally on your own, you wouldn't survive so many titles that I'm doing every day on your
Make
own.
you strong.
On your own expenses. Ngale disability wesengnayo. Kube bengomunye after my trauma painful story. Ngabe kudala ngihlele emabridgini ngibhema amathulusi ngenzani.
And
But I said I'm more than that. I'm unstoppable. I was born by purpose. Nothing can change who I am. My current situation is not my final destination.
Please tell us on a lighter note. Please tell us about your book.
My book title is called From Victimization to Survivor. It's dedicated for victims who've been through abuse. It gives you courage that challenges didn't start by you and they'll never end by you. Committing suicide and giving up is not a solution.
Yeah.
It even has references, free telephone numbers to call during hard times. It even has names of organizations that are assisting during the days of need. And what I even wrote there, that I realized many people don't think about this. When days are dark, friends are few. No matter where you are, never forget where you come from. Never forget your role models. Remember, it takes a village to raise a child.
Yeah.
So never forget important people who took their time and energy to invest in your life. While you are a millionaire, you forget where you come from and run away from those people. One day you'll need help from the very same people,
Yeah.
because money is something that can finish anytime. But love and support will never be finished. So your character is very, very important. Pride will never take you anywhere.
Yeah.
So I even wrote my role models there on the book. I specified them, name each and every one of them, and I wrote what they did in my life, and I'll never forget them. Till today, I'm grateful for God providing them to become parents in my life.
How much is a book? And umuntu angayithola phi?
The normal soft copy, it costs 200 rands. But if uhlala ekudeni nami, you are too far from me, I advise you to pay 260 rands, because 60 rand is for Pep Pexi, Korea challenges.
Yeah.
Then it can come
Nationwide.
to you between 5 to 7 working days at the nearest Pep closer to you. So with the Pep Pexi, it's 260 rands, but physically it's 200 rand. It is became a game changer for many, many lives.
Yeah. I'd like to buy a copy myself.
It is
We
there.
are
I have them
inspired.
right now.
Or strong. So, umuntu mafuna ukubhuka utholakala phi? Social media platforms.
Social media platforms, I'm not active because most of the time ngisokola nge-data. I'm currently on WhatsApp, and then I'm also on YouTube, TikTok, including Facebook. But umuntu makafuna ukungibhuka original, I'm under Protege Brands. Nginama expect wami Protege Brands. They are the ones automatic abayenzayo. Abantu kumele bangibhuke via bona. I've just signed up a deal with them. They are there guiding me all the way. Even ngangibhuka via bona.
Guys, nayi ikopi yencwadi. It's called From Victimization to Survivor by Noxolo Mdliva. Please, guys, nithengeni le copy. Yazin is gonna come very, very handy kusisi, and support yenu uyayidinga, and nani nibe inspired as nami I am. Yo, my sister, I'm proud of you. Wena. I'm so proud of you. Yes, you're doing great things. You are doing great things. Please spread the word. Kuluma, 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 kuluma. You're going far. You are really going far. Kuyo yonke into. I know there's so much mhlawumbe umuntu osemakhaya would want to know ukuthi ukuphi manje. You understand uhlala nobani, i-environment uhlala kuyo injani. Don't you mind taking us there nje before we wrap up?
For now, I'm staying alone, Cornelia Oliver Bosch. But looking at my life from where I come from and where I am now, I see myself very, very far, because I'm recognized globally right now.
Yes.
I'm not shy to even mention that tomorrow, which is going to be 1 May 2026. I'm a nominee of Mzansi Arts and Media Awards as a best writer. As I'm an author, I'm going for my awards. They are taking place from 6 p.m. until 11 p.m. And then again, 5 to 7 May, as a leader, as a businesswoman who's passionate, who doesn't just put money before anything, who's at the heart of the people. I'm recognized global. 5 to 7 May, I'm needed in Tanzania.
Yes.
I'm a nominee of Leading Women of Africa. And then around June, as a powerful young person, I'm booked in Paris, 10 to 14 June, I need to be in Paris. It's an international leadership youth summit. So when I look at all these things every single day, when I look at the mirror, I'm like, this time it's not a season to cry for me. It's a season to thank the Lord because He's demonstrating each and everything about me. And the big verse that I will never forget in my life that I meditate upon every single day that brought everything you see, Deuteronomy 28. It speaks about the blessings for the obedience from verse 1 until verse 15. There's a time whereby in Deuteronomy 28, God mentions that you will lend through many nations, but you'll borrow from none. That is me going all these places without borrowing to be there. And then again, He mentioned, during the right time, I'll make you greater to the nations. They will know who you are through me. That is all the global recognitions you can see, including being recognized by President Cyril Ramaphosa.
Sakufana namhlanje ogqoke all black with a touch of purple. Uyaphi? Don't you mind telling us ukuthi uyaphi?
Today, I'm booked. There's a organization called Disability 360 Podcast. It's launching today. It's going to be an open platform for persons with disabilities to express their feelings and their views to get the justice they need. So they are the ones who told us there to wear formal, not just black, but to wear formal with a touch of purple. The formal symbolizes for disabilities who are in businesses. And then the purple symbolizes support for the social events that are faced by persons with disabilities global, including GPV, stigmatization, and everything. It's just a coverage to cover and show that we are with you, whatever it takes. Your disability is your ability. Never limit yourself. It all starts with you. Self-love is the best. And I'm proud to even mention that disabilities out there should really, really love themselves because there's no limit in everything. As we speak, I'm also a finalist of Miss Differently Abled.
Yeah.
Those finalists are taking place soon. It's a beauty pageant. They want us from 9 May. They told us to wear the blue jeans with the white golf t-shirts. We will be the next representatives of Mr. and Miss Differently Abled.
Yo. Hey. When's it turning? We won.
That's why I closed the umbrella. I'm a career woman.
Yeah.
I'm multi-talented.
Kakhulu. I'm proud of you, man. I'm so proud of you.
And sitting right here, I'm glad to even inform you that I'm also a doctor. I was authorized last year in February in UK, London. We program my nutrition. I went there as a normal Greenwald healthcare consultant, and in automatic, I presented the nutrition care package. I was the only South African there. And in automatic, after day 2, after the whole summit, we were given certificates and they were written doctor and professor with their names on. Then that's where I've seen the grace of the Lord, because many doctors are taking 7 to 8 years in universities. But us, after 2 days, we were issued those titles. That's where I realized God qualified the unqualified. You can move from zero to hero. It all starts with your mentality. Declare positivity and speak positivity every day. You'll reach your goals. It's never too late to follow your dreams.
My sister. Yo. Guys, angazi mongekho inspired, angazi. Ayikho i-situation permanent. It start with you, ushilo sis. Mongekho angazi ufuna ukuthini nje ku-youth ngaphandle kuma teenagers nje abakulalele namhlanje nabantu abadala because sibukelwa yonke inhlobo. But talk to your people, mama. Look at that camera and talk to your people.
Good day, my people, young people, my 2000, including the teenagers. Learn to respect, guys. Respect is the foundation of everything. That is what is bringing unemployment in our days, and that is what is increasing the GBV. I've realized many young people are disrespectful. Omdala uyakuthuma manje or akutshela ukuthi yenza into wena uzitshela ukuthi awusuwumama mama awusuwubaba ubani bani usekhaya. Stop that, ma 2000. It must really stop, because it takes a village to raise a child. The very same people you undermine and disrespect, you will need their help one day. Let's say, for example, your parents are at work right now, we are hambe stratini, and you are knocked by the car. The very same people over to guy, they are the ones who must help you. Pride, guys, will never take you anywhere. Right now, we are schooling ikathulo zitabukile, but because umntana udelelayo ubani ozozisearcha akuthengele the brand new shoes. Respect is everything. Mina, I'm where I am. I'm successful because of respect and humbleness. And again, to parents, learn to support your kids also, because most children are victims right now because of you. Ningabothi manilwa nindoda niyabazali endlini ni-involve abantwana akusiyibo abanikhethile ukuthi ngifuna lo mama ngifuna lo baba. Stop ukuthi manilwa ngama-relationship wenu ni-involve abantwana abancane. Your kids are the fruits of your wombs. Yibo labantwana enizobadinga one day. You guys are like trees to your kids. Your kids are just fruits from your seeds. So abantwana bayilento abayiyo because of you guys. Learn to support your kids. When I speak about support, I don't mean izinto ezifana nokuthi nisithengele into ezifancy abo-Nike abophuma abo-Fabian. That can stop. Singagcoka ipep every day endlini, singadla isinkwa ngebisi. As long as your support, your encouragement, your positive words are there every day, you're breaking everything. Us as kids, we are the ones abazocabanga ukuthi maru mama no baba bayazama kuso why singacabangini senze into ezinkulu. And again, parents, learn to go through workshops, fix your anger issues, because your words are important. Amanye amagama awaxoleleki. Amanye amagama, it's not easy ukuthi asuke enhlizweni. Sometimes you are the ones abaqalekisa abantwana benu ukuthi baba yilento abayiyo. You can name umntana akho, for example, umbize ngomathatha, kanjalo umbiza ngenkinga. That child will be at trouble for the rest of his or her life because of your words. Noma ngabe nidakwe kanjani, nilimele kangakanani, be mindful of your words. These kids are what they are because of you. So my message to you is, even if you've done that, apologize, rebuild your relationship with your kids, and make sure you support them in every move, irregardless of the situations. Those kids are the ones who can move you from a shack to a mansion. Learn to support and be there for your kids. Thank you so much.
Oh, siyabonga sisi. Bawo uyibhekile. Thank you. I wish you nothing but the best. Sizokhipha in touch ke. And hi man, I'm proud of you. Kuningisho. Ooh, I'm so proud of you. Ngiyakuthanda bona. Ula. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're inspired as nami nje ngihleli la, inspired by Usisi. Please buy her book. Please support her. Ngiyanithanda ke nonke emakhaya, and don't forget to give her a thumbs up and also leave her a positive comment. Siyanithanda and goodbye.